This is one of 5 food trucks serving the most appetizing and sizzling meals to long lines of Burlington residents. And they are not taking cash. Just share your feedback on how Burlington is being run and you get a meal. That's what the Food for Feedback event is all about. Residents wasted no time sharing ideas with Mayor Marianne Meed Ward on everything from budgets to recreation centres.
So all of what we hear, we're taking notes at my tent, so are all the other staff. That will go into a report, everything people said and what the themes are, where there were commonalities, and we'll get that in the future. So all the feedback is captured, none of it's lost, and then we can start to look at what the patterns, where people really feel strongly about something.
They would select their areas of interest and concern at the 35 booths strewn across Central Park. Feedback on Burlington transit, property and zoning bylaws, and even how the council is prioritizing its funds were rated.
Residents can come up and with stickers say what's important to them in order. And other people that come up after can see what their fellow citizens have said, what residents have said. And then we have that chart. You take a screen capture, you know with one look what people's priorities are. It's actually a really great way to quickly capture a whole bunch of feedback from community.
This is the 4th annual event, but it's the first time for Burlington resident Crystal Chung and her family.
We come here every single week, and then we saw all the tents up and we thought, what's going on? And we were pleasantly surprised that it's this, Food for Feedback festival. So we joined in, we gave some feedback, about our time living in Burlington, which we love. This is very minor, but sometimes the street lights, I get stopped at every single light. I find in some cities the street lights are a bit more synced up so that you're not stopping at every single light. But other than that, I find that it's actually a pretty commuter-friendly city. I take the GO train into work, so I'm pretty pleased by that.
So that food truck bite was indeed a good reward for the feedback. But the city was serving up something even more important: community engagement. For Halton News, I'm Devin Murugan.